In the heart of the majestic Khyber Pass lies the story of a poet, philosopher, and a mystic whose words captured the soul of Pashtun culture. This is the story of Amir Hamza Khan Shinwari, fondly known as Hamza Baba, the father of modern Pashto Ghazal. Amir Hamza Khan Shinwari was born in 1907 in Landi Kotal, a rugged yet beautiful region near the Afghan border. His early life was shaped by the traditions, landscape, and oral storytelling of the Pashtun people. Hamza Baba initially pursued a career as a railway worker. It was literature, poetry, and Sufi mysticism that truly captivated his soul. Hamza Baba's contribution to Pashto literature was groundbreaking. He blended the classical style of ghazal with the vibrant, earthy voice of the Pashtun people. Through his verses, he addressed themes of love, spirituality, human struggle, and the quest for peace. One of his famous lines, "If my poetry doesn't touch your soul, then now I have failed to fulfill my purpose."
ديت بصوعي بنوزتين ديت بصوعي بنوزتين نشرم زدر تكتين شما حمزة والكلمة بخطولي هلاب حمزة والكلمة بخطولي خلاف الرقم واضح وتلين شما مودا پس اشنارا غلی دی رکیبا مودا پس اشنارا غلی دی رکیبا شما برن زما مزار پیدا
لاري درد وایم جس لاري دی مني لاري درد وایم جس لاري دی بس خود چی سوک دی پکی رکا هغه بخلاری دی بس خود چی سوک دی پکی رکا هغه بخلاری دی کمینی لاری در دسا وایم چی سلاری دی
Hamza Baba's poetry was deeply influenced by Sufism. His work reflected a yearning for divine love and unity. As a disciple of Sufi traditions, he believed in the power of art and spirituality to bridge divides and bring people closer to their inner selves. Even after his death in 1994, Hamza Baba's legacy continues to thrive. His shrine in Landi Kotal has become a beacon for lovers of Pashto literature and admirers of Sufi mysticism. Through his words, Hamza Baba not only elevated Pashto literature but also inspired countless generations to embrace their identity and heritage with pride. Today, Amir Hamza Khan Shinwari stands as a symbol of poetic brilliance and spiritual depth, a true son of the Pashtun soil, whose words continue to echo in the hearts of his people. A large number of poets, researchers, and intellectuals from Afghanistan and Pakistan gathered at Landi Kotal Jirga Hall to pay tribute to the life and literary achievements of Hamza Baba. Amir Hamza Khan Shinwari, famously recognized as Hamza Baba, was a renowned poet, playwright, and author in Pashto and Urdu languages. His literary contributions are analyzed at the master's level in the curriculum of the University of Peshawar. He is considered a bridge between classic Pashto literature and modern. The Frontier Corps Khyber Pakhtunkhwa North has successfully completed the renovation and beautification of the mausoleum of the esteemed Pashto poet Amir Hamza Baba. The mausoleum, located in Landi Kotal, Khyber district, now stands as a testament to the poet's enduring legacy. Amir Hamza Baba, celebrated as the father of Pashto Ghazal and revered as a Sufi saint, was born in 1907. His poetry played a pivotal role in the freedom movement, stirring nationalistic fervor and cultural pride among the Pashtun people. After the independence of Pakistan, Amir Hamza Baba dedicated his life to the preservation and promotion of the Pashto language and culture, primarily through his influential work at Radio Pakistan. Following his death in 1994, he was interred in Landi Kotal, where a mausoleum was constructed to honor his contribution. Recognizing the significance of his literary and cultural legacy, the Frontier Corps Khyber Pakhtunkhwa North undertook the renovation of his mausoleum. This project serves as a tribute to his invaluable services to the nation and the Pashto-speaking community. To commemorate the completion of the renovation, a grand ceremony was organized, drawing prominent poets and literary figures from across the region. These luminaries gathered to celebrate the life and works of Amir Hamza Baba, sharing poetry and reflections that highlighted his profound influence on Pashto literature and culture. Major General Inspector General of Frontier Corps Khyber Pakhtunkhwa North presided over the ceremony, underscoring the importance of preserving cultural heritage and honoring those who have significantly contributed to it. The event not only marked the beautification of the mausoleum but also reinforced the enduring respect and admiration for Amir Hamza Baba's literary achievements and his dedication to the Pashto language. The successful renovation of Amir Hamza Baba's mausoleum by the Frontier Corps is a heartfelt homage to a poet whose words continue to inspire and resonate with the Pashto community and beyond. His father was died in 1930. Sayyid Abdul Sattar Shah Badshah was the teacher of Hamza Baba after the death of his father. He was a good writer. He wrote Pashto dramas, fiction, travelogues, and many sketches and features which have been aired on Radio Pakistan. Hamza Baba chose to write his poetry in Urdu at beginning, but later, following his teacher Sayyid Sattar Shah Badshah instruction, he began to write in Pashto. He did a lot of work in Pashto Ghazal. He wrote standard Pashto Ghazal, due to which he was given the title of Baba Ghazal. Hamza Baba says in a poem, Stapa Ananguki da Hamza da Vinusredi, Tashwi da Pukhto Ghazala Zwan Zadi Baba Kram. The headline on your face includes Hamza's blood. O Pashto Ghazal, you have become young and I have become old. Hamza Baba's poetry has been published in 5 volumes under the name of Hamza Baba Kulliyat. He has also authored numerous books on topics such as Sufism and philosophy. Hamza Baba has also written his autobiography. Hamza Baba was a practical Sufi and a believer in the oneness of being. Hamza Baba's poetry is standard poetry. He was inspired by Mirza Khan Ansari and Khushhal Khan Khattab. He has painted nature. He was Hafiz Shirazi of his time.
امید په امیدو شو سای لنډه لنډه کیږي امید او په میلو شو سای لنډه لنډه کیږي خیر واسویلی شي د لیدو له انتظاره زړه ته جنازې د یارۍ مه راوړه ارمانه زړه ته جنازې د یارۍ مه راوړه ارمانه خلک ډېرې د کوره لرې جوړوي پلو دې د مخ اخلم پښتنې خو دا مې واوره پلو دې د مخ اخلم پښتنې خو دا مې واوره زمری غوندې به ګورې شرمېدل به پکې نه وي حمزه د خپل خیرت په بهانه یې پیدا کړي حمزه د خپل خیرت په بهانه یې پیدا کړي د یار د کوڅې لارې او کېدل به پکې نه وي
زه به په یاد د مېړنو سره یم یم پښتون د پښتنو سره یم وای اغیار چې د دوزخ شپه ده وای اغیار چې د دوزخ شپه ده زه به جنت ته د پښتو سره
It